According to the World Gastroenterology Organization, over 1 in 10 people across the world will develop a stomach or duodenal ulcer at some point in their lives. Millions more live with chronic gastritis, that slow, painful erosion of the stomach lining that can lead to ulcers, bleeding, and even cancer if ignored. Stressful lives, fast food diets, painkillers, coffee, alcohol, and one microscopic culprit, Helicobacter pylori, a bacteria that quietly lives in the stomachs of over half the global population. All these factors weaken one of the most resilient organs in your body. The stomach, a powerful furnace meant to digest, slowly turns against itself. Yes, there are pharmaceutical fixes. Proton pump inhibitors, H2 blockers, antibiotics. They all promise quick relief. But they come with hidden costs, nutrient deficiencies, bacterial imbalance, dependency, and the haunting return of symptoms once the drugs stop. So, where does true healing begin? Surprisingly, it may start with something simple, something you might already have in your fridge. A bowl of creamy yogurt, enriched with one ancient ingredient that has been healing digestive systems for thousands of years. This is the story of how two humble foods, one soothing, one golden, can join forces to rebuild your stomach from the inside out. But before we reveal the secret ingredient, let's first look inside that fiery belly of yours. The human stomach is a masterpiece of biological engineering, a muscular chamber designed to churn, digest, and sanitize everything you consume. It secretes hydrochloric acid, one of the most corrosive substances known to nature, strong enough to dissolve metal. Yet somehow, it doesn't destroy itself. That's because it's protected by a mucus layer, a slick, intelligent shield made of glycoproteins and bicarbonate ions. This barrier neutralizes acid at the surface and keeps the tissues beneath safe. Think of it as armor, thin yet incredibly powerful. But even the strongest armor can be weakened. Excessive acid, bacterial infections, painkillers like ibuprofen, stress hormones, alcohol, and spicy or processed foods. All of these slowly erode that layer. Once the acid touches the unprotected tissue, it begins to eat away at it, forming small wounds called ulcers. The early signs are often ignored: a burning pain in the upper abdomen, bloating, belching, nausea, pain that worsens on an empty stomach, loss of appetite, unexplained weight loss. Left untreated, ulcers can bleed, cause anemia, and in extreme cases perforate the stomach wall, a life-threatening condition. But here's the miracle: your stomach can heal. It just needs the right nourishment. And that's where yogurt, the gentle guardian of your gut, steps in. Yogurt has been part of human life for more than 7,000 years. It wasn't just food, it was medicine. Ancient civilizations from Greece to Persia to India believed yogurt soothed the stomach and prolonged life. And modern science now confirms what they always knew. The secret lies in yogurt's probiotics, living beneficial bacteria such as Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium bifidum. These are your gut's defenders. They protect the stomach lining, neutralize harmful invaders, and balance the internal ecosystem of your digestive tract. When you eat yogurt, it balances your gut flora, crowding out harmful bacteria like H. pylori. It helps rebuild the mucus barrier, restoring the stomach's natural armor. It coats the stomach walls, reducing acid irritation and discomfort. It even strengthens your immune response, helping your body fight infection naturally. Plus, yogurt contains calcium and casein, natural acid buffers that bring instant relief from burning sensations. But while yogurt soothes, it doesn't fully repair. To truly heal and regenerate the damaged tissue, your body needs something deeper. Something that reduces inflammation, boosts cell repair, and kills bacteria at the root. That's where a centuries-old spice comes in. A golden healer used in both Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years. But before we reveal it, let's understand why so many modern treatments fail to bring lasting peace to the stomach. It's easy to block acid, it's much harder to restore the stomach's natural rhythm. Most ulcer medications work by turning off the stomach's acid pumps. They give fast relief, but they also disrupt digestion itself. When acid levels drop too low, food isn't broken down properly. That means bloating, indigestion, nutrient loss, and bacterial overgrowth. Meanwhile, the stomach lining, still thin and damaged, never truly recovers. Real healing doesn't come from suppressing acid. It comes from strengthening the stomach's own defense system. That means repairing the mucus barrier, improving circulation, and neutralizing inflammation from within. And nature has already provided the perfect solution. A root known for its ability to heal wounds, fight bacteria, and calm inflammation at its deepest level. It's time to reveal the golden secret. The hidden ingredient is turmeric, the golden spice revered for centuries in medicine, cuisine, and ritual. The power of turmeric lies in curcumin, its active compound, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that influences the molecular pathways of pain, healing, and repair. Here's what curcumin does inside your body. It protects your stomach lining by boosting mucus secretion, reinforcing that vital barrier between acid and tissue. It calms inflammation by blocking COX-2 enzymes and cytokines that cause pain. It fights H. pylori, the bacterial villain behind most ulcers. And it speeds up tissue regeneration, improving blood flow to the damaged areas. In one clinical trial published in Phytomedicine, 2014, 76% of ulcer patients who took curcumin capsules for 8 weeks experienced complete healing without the side effects of common drugs. When you mix turmeric with yogurt, the effects amplify. Yogurt's natural fats help your body absorb curcumin more efficiently, and the probiotics work hand in hand with turmeric's antibacterial properties to rebuild a healthy gut environment. Together, they form a natural medicine, a union of science and tradition. The yogurt-turmeric blend is a perfect balance, cool and warm, soothing and stimulating, modern and ancient. Yogurt cools the stomach's surface, coating it like silk and reducing acid burn. Turmeric works from within, calming inflammation and repairing tissues on a cellular level. Together, they attack every root cause of ulcer formation. Too much acid? Yogurt's calcium and probiotics neutralize it. Bacterial infection? Curcumin inhibits H. pylori. Damaged tissue? Turmeric and yogurt together rebuild mucus and enhance blood flow. Inflammation? Curcumin reduces it directly at the molecular level. This is not a temporary fix, it's a reconstruction, a rebuilding of your stomach's natural defenses. Here's how to make it. Take 1 cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Greek yogurt works best. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, preferably organic. Sprinkle in a pinch of black pepper. It boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Then add a teaspoon of honey if you'd like. It's soothing and adds a touch of antibacterial sweetness. Mix it all until you have a soft golden blend. Eat it once a day, ideally on an empty stomach in the morning or 2 hours after dinner before bed. You can also make a turmeric yogurt smoothie by blending it with warm water or coconut milk for a more drinkable version. This simple daily ritual is gentle, affordable, and profoundly effective. Here's what to expect. Days 1 to 3. The burning starts to fade. Yogurt coats the stomach while turmeric quietly reduces inflammation. Days 4 to 7, digestion improves. The bloating and acid reflux begin to ease. The stomach lining starts rebuilding itself. Days 8 to 14, ulcer pain reduces drastically. Appetite returns. You feel lighter, calmer, and more energetic. Days 15 to 30, the deeper healing begins. The lining thickens. Immunity improves. Your gut finally returns to balance. Many people report complete relief from symptoms within 3 to 4 weeks of consistent use. Let's take a quick look inside the science. Curcumin targets key molecular switches like NF-κB and COX-2, the very pathways that drive inflammation and oxidative stress. By calming these, it stops further cell damage and allows regeneration to take place. It also boosts the body's natural antioxidants, glutathione and superoxide dismutase, which protect the stomach from acid-induced injury. And here's something antibiotics can't do. Curcumin kills H. pylori without disturbing the good bacteria that protect your gut. Meanwhile, yogurt's fats and the piperine and black pepper help your body absorb curcumin efficiently, delivering its healing power right where it's needed most. This mixture doesn't just heal your stomach, it transforms your health. Regular use of yogurt and turmeric cleanses and supports your liver's detox functions, boosts your immune system, reduces joint and muscle inflammation, improves skin clarity and glow, and even supports emotional balance thanks to the gut-brain connection. When your stomach heals, your entire body follows. Because your gut isn't just about digestion, it's your body's foundation for health, immunity, and emotional well-being. A few things to keep in mind. Avoid flavored or sweetened yogurts. Go for natural, unsweetened varieties. Always take turmeric with a little fat, like yogurt, milk, or coconut oil, to increase absorption. If you're on blood thinners or diabetes medication, talk to your doctor before daily use. And if your ulcer is severe or bleeding, always work under medical supervision while using natural remedies. Your stomach isn't broken, it's just asking for care. Healing doesn't always come from a pharmacy. Sometimes, it begins right in your kitchen. By combining the cooling power of yogurt with the golden strength of turmeric, you create one of the most natural and effective ways to repair your stomach lining, calm inflammation, and restore lasting digestive peace. This isn't a shortcut, it's a restoration, a return to balance. So the next time your stomach burns, skip the chemical quick fixes. Go to your kitchen, take a cup of yogurt, add that golden powder, and remember, nature heals best when you listen.